Ryan Knight's here, Stream Vision Review, and I got the Promark out here, you can see. This is it. Pretty high winds. I think it's getting like 17, 18 mile an hour gusts, 12 to 15 mile an hour steady. There we go. All right. There it is. So it's doing pretty good. Doing better than I thought it was going to. Only thing is, the follow me doesn't work very well. Still wants to fly a little bit. Don't like to hold her spot too well. But, you know, with this amount of wind, I'm surprised it's doing as good as it is, to be honest with you. Now this is at the high gear. Bring it down with that power line. But that is in the 3rd speed setting. So I don't know if it'll even go anywhere in low. Where's low? Yeah, it barely moves, but it's fighting it. But that's low speed setting right there. There's medium. This is medium. It seems to do pretty good. Put it low because we're going against the wind. It doesn't take much to where's the battery at? Yeah, battery's about dead. So, what we're going to do is return home, see how good it does. Well, I thought I had it recording, but I didn't. Dang it. But, so I get up a little bit. Now, let me do the, what's up? Now, backward you don't want to go. Get the speed up. Official return home. Yep. Okay, well, so in high gear or in high winds, it will not return. It won't go directly back because it should have went over here where where it should have went. Right here. So, and of course, I'm losing stuff here. But that's where it should have landed at on the return home setting, but it didn't. So, that tells me at high wind, it didn't like it that much. But I just figured I'd give it a shot, see what it done, see how it worked out. Seems to do pretty decent considering. Sorry, I love the vest. Man, it holds my controller, holds pretty much everything I need, my extra batteries, extra blades, pretty much anything I need it'll hold. Besides some screws, certain little stuff it won't, but it don't work too bad, but I like it. And now if it was a DJI product, it'd probably done a lot better, because we all know how DJI is. I mean, they're on point with everything they do. I mean, you can't beat DJI. So for a Promark, for under $200 drone with GPS, she hold up pretty good in the wind. Now, of course, battery life didn't last long. You usually get 9-10 minutes out of a battery, where I think I was getting, I have to look back at the original video I did. I think I only got maybe 6-7 minutes. But considering the wind and it was fighting, I'm actually very impressed with it. The Venom Pro, it won't do that. How about you have to fight that thing tooth and nail? So for this to hold up to the wind like it did, I'm very impressed. You would think it was a more expensive drone to hold up like it did, so I'm very happy with it. So far, everything I got to say about this thing is amazing. The only thing I wish it did have was the waypoints. If you could adjust waypoints instead of course with it, that would be great. Other than that, I mean, what else do you want for a $200 drone? But I'm gonna jump off here for I give y'all a look at some high wind flying with the GPS, so I could try it out, see if it would even hold up well, and it seemed to do pretty good. This is Ryan Knights. I'll see you later.